welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. You can see on the screen hotel location, details, and nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Room category 1. You can see on the screen reviews like size, bed type, room view, amenities, etc. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The hotel is good and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Categories of rooms are available. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available on this hotel, along with various compliance and policies. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.